This video will overview NC-SIMIL's automation module, also known as the batch mode. It is useful for running simulations automatically and receiving a detailed report afterward outlining any errors or collisions. It can be done right from a local computer, or a server can be dedicated to run them automatically. The license runs independently, therefore maximizing the NC-SIMIL usage for the shop. To begin, select the automation icon from the file menu. Once you have specified where the automation server is located, it will automatically connect. Click on the icon to view the location information. Adding a task is as simple as clicking on the icon. This will pull up a window where an unlimited number of items can be batched. The top folder will match the job environments that have been set up in NC-SIMIL and will display any jobs that are contained within. For each, the type of execution can be specified either with a default template such as simple simulation or a cut analysis computation and save as. Once the template is set, return to the add task level to do just that. The execution date is automatically set to now to have it run immediately, but a specific time can also be defined as well. Choose the tasks that are to be batched from the list and hit OK. As the process begins, notice a progress bar for each operation. They will automatically process in order. However, parameters can be set to require a certain operation to execute flawlessly before another subsequent one is greenlit for automation. As each job finishes, there will be a green or red flag indicating whether it encountered errors or not. This can be used to automatically tag faulty jobs or push good ones straight to the shop floor. For each, the details can be viewed by clicking on the process and expanding the sidebar. It will show specifics such as number of errors per tool sequence, total time of the programs, and continuing to the next information will provide a list of the line errors. The results can also be copied and pasted into Word or Excel for additional logging or viewing. And that's it. With the automation module, it becomes easy to create a lineup of jobs, run them in the background or on a separate server, receive a detailed report of the outcome, and flag or greenlight their programs individually, all while continuing the manufacturing process.